This video is going to be a how to draw a wavy flag. It's a 2-minute tutorial, just a warm-up using lines and shapes. So the first step, once again, you're going to use your little quarter sheet of paper or a sketchbook. The first step you're going to do is draw a small circle in the corner. Okay, it cannot be in the middle of the paper. You have to see the proportion that I'm doing, corner of the paper. The next step is I am going to do a straight line, and I'm going to use this edge as a guide. You don't need to use a ruler, but some people might want to use a ruler, but it doesn't have to be perfect. Straight line, I'm using the edge of the paper as a guide. And these are just sketches, learning how to draw with lines and shapes, so a ruler is not necessary. Then you're going to do a parallel line with this straight line. Once again, parallel line, cross curriculum with math, parallel lines. Alright, the next step is you're going to do a wavy line. You're going to go down right under this letter O of the circle, and you are going to do a wavy line. You're going to go up, down, and up. And then I'm going to do a parallel line again using this wavy line. So once again, parallel line, they do not have to be straight, they can be wavy. I'm going to follow this parallel guide, up, down, and up. And now I have a wavy parallel line. Straight parallel line, wavy parallel line. Then I'm going to connect this point to this point with a straight line, straight up like that. Go down a quarter ways down from this straight line. I'm going to do a wavy line again. I'm going to go up, down, and up. I'm going to go inside this wavy line about a quarter ways and do a small straight line. And now I'm going to do a parallel line again using this wavy line. I'm going to go up, down, and up. Okay, so now this is a parallel line. And then I'm going to connect just like I did this one with a straight line from this point to this point. Alright, the final touch from this point to this point. I'm going to close it, and that is the back end of the flag. And then I'll do like a backwards letter C right here. Connect from that point to that point. And there is your wavy flag. And the final steps, color it however you want. This is a cross curriculum with geography. They can look up different nationalities and color whatever flag you want with a different nationality, or you can create your own flag using your favorite colors or your favorite cartoon character and make your own flag. There's your wavy flag.